Hey everyone, it's Ralph from the Basement Air Force, and we're in the basement. It's a nice day in Atlanta, and we're down here with the Storch, and so we're going to take it outside and do a little bit of a taxi test. So stay tuned for that. Well, here we are outside with the Storch, and we've got ailerons are working. We have rudder. And we have motor. So let's see what happens going down the street. Still wants to pull a little bit to the left, it looks like, so I need to adjust that. And still don't seem to have any elevators. No elevators, so. Well, it seems to be working. We've got lots of motor, that's for sure. So let's spin it around here. Might be able to maybe do a first flight this weekend at the Cobb County RC Club, maybe. Yeah, it wants to take off into the wind like crazy. So anyhow, got to get that drift taken care of. So that brings us up to date. Well, I hope you enjoyed the Storch taxi test. Everything went pretty well. We still don't have elevators, so we're going to have to take a look at that. And we're kind of bearing to the left a little bit, so we're going to have to look at that too. But it wants to fly. So hopefully we'll get everything ironed out, and we'll take it down to the Cobb County RC Club and have somebody fly it for me for the first time. So anyhow, if you enjoyed this video, leave some comments down below, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel at the Basement Air Force. Talk to you soon.